Welcome to Cindy's Certified Recipes. It's that time of year for backyard barbecues and making memories that last a lifetime. And what goes better with all that grilled food than a great potato salad? My mom brought her potato salad recipe with her 70 years ago from Germany. And it gets rave reviews at all my barbecues, and I'm sure it will at yours too. So please like and subscribe for this video, and let's get on with that potato salad. We're going to start off this potato salad by creaming together a few ingredients here. First of all, we're going to start off with 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. And this is 1/4 cup of the pickle juice. And this is a tablespoon of yellow mustard. We're just going to mix that up. Just till it's combined. I like to add a little bit of salt. That's about 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and same with the pepper, about 1.5 teaspoons. We'll be adjusting that later. There's our sauce for the potato salad. I'm going to set that aside. Get our bowl over here. And start cutting up our potatoes. I just like to slice them any old way. There's no rhyme or reason. You just get them sliced and into the pot. And they'll break up a little bit more too as you mix it. I already boiled these potatoes. This was about 9 potatoes. They were fairly small. Normally I use 6 bigger potatoes. And I boiled these with the skin on for about a half an hour till they're tender. And then you leave them you pour the water out and put them back in the dry pot so that the potatoes dry out. And then when they've cooled down a little bit, you put them on a rack. Let them cool down all the way with the skin on. And this allows the potato to get this nice, moist texture to it. And it holds together quite well in the potato salad. If you boil the potatoes without their skin on, they dry out. And you don't want dry potatoes. There, they're all chopped up. And I like to use equal parts onion to equal part dill pickles. So we're going to pour those in. This is a Scant 2 cups chopped dill pickles. And these pickles were kind of fat pickles. Those are the ones I could find. Normally I like to use a smaller pickle. And so when I can only find the big ones, I like to use a spoon and scoop out the center so it keeps the salad a little drier. And then chop them up in a rough dice like this. And then we're going to add the onions. Actually, I'm going to use just a little less. That was a big onion. So that was like another Scant 2 cups. Wipe off my hands. Here I've chopped up boiled 6 eggs and chop them rough chop. Gonna add those to the pot. And now we're gonna add our sauce that we made. And just start stirring that up. This is always good to make the day before you actually need it, to allow all the flavors to infuse together, and the potatoes will absorb some of that sauce we put in, and it makes it a lovely consistency. I'll taste it here in a bit to adjust the salt and pepper. You can see as I'm mixing it, those potatoes get chopped up a little bit more, so don't worry when you're chopping them up initially like I did if they're a little bigger than you think they are. There we go. Taste a little bit. Super yummy. Just gonna add a little bit more pepper. I like pepper, so probably a teaspoon there, and another teaspoon of salt. Give it another good stir. That's looking really nice. Smooth it out, and that's ready to be covered and put in the fridge.
No bland potato salad here. Everything in the correct proportions yields this delicious, flavorful potato salad everyone will rave about. So start planning those barbecues. And remember, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.